What up, YouTube fam? Your boy is back on the grind one more time, and I am just getting done doing some yard work. So if I have some dirt or dust on my face, that is probably why. But anyways, you guys, I just actually wanted to give you kind of a quick filler video before I give you the video that I went to this show this past weekend. I got a fair amount of footage. The car showed really well at this show. Didn't win anything, but it got a really good response. It was kind of an older crowd, but it's really cool to see the older crowd respond well to a car like this. That's not typically your traditional style, old school, or slash Chevelle. So anyways, I won't talk a whole lot about that. I'll just wait for the video, but it showed really well there, so just know that, you guys. But anyways, this video is actually in regards to this car, man, and a video, well, a couple videos that are actually blowing up right now, but one in particular, man. This car has gone viral somehow. I have no idea. I know I posted a lot on my Instagram, and on Instagram you can upload these things called reels. So for those of you that aren't really on Instagram or don't really know, a reel is like kind of like a TikTok story, or something similar to a Snapchat. YouTube now has shorts now, so and actually Facebook now has reels, because I think they own Instagram now. So anyways, basically it's just a quick clip, or it's anywhere from like 1 second to 90 seconds. You can film a reel, and you can put videos, pictures. You can make your own little like short little story, or whatever you want to call it. Make your own short reel, and it goes to a broader audience. I don't know how, but it does. That's kind of like the thing to do right now. That's what's trending, is these reels, these little TikTok style stories and shorts and things like that YouTube has. So anyways, I've kind of been working on my reel game, just for business purposes, for the car, just for my brand. Mr. Griffin 23 is everything on social media. If you guys haven't followed, follow me. Everything that I have is Mr. Griffin 23, except for TikTok. TikTok is Mr. Griffin _23. But anyways, you guys, so I did a video of this car. My girl actually filmed the video. It was like a 2-minute video, but I took like a 30-second clip of it, and I made it a reel. And I've been making some cool reels, just trying to just do different things, with the videos, different songs, things like that, because that also helps too. If there's a song that's kind of trending, then the video could potentially get exposed and seen a little bit more by more people using that particular audio to that video. So anyways, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do a little something different this time. I'm gonna make this one a little bit more like crunk, a little bit more kind of like hardcore. So there's a song by 3 6 Mafia. If you don't know who 3 6 Mafia is, they're actually one of my favorite rap groups. But I like a lot of their older stuff. So there's this song called Who Run It. And at the beginning of the song, the intro keeps going, who run it? Who run it, like that. And maybe I'll play a little clip when I play the video on there. But I can't play a whole lot of it, obviously, just for copyright purposes. But it's cool. It kind of is like a slow ramp up, then it leads up to the chorus, to the hook of the song. So I kind of play the intro all the way up to that first verse of the hook, and then I cut it off. So what it does is it pans my car backing out of the driveway, and she did a really good job, man. She was actually a really good videographer, but she got me going out, and then the Buick was parked right next to the driveway. So then she panned over to the Buick, kind of walked to the front, and then panned back over the Buick out to my car, and then to the front of the car, and then that's when I cut it off. So with that being said, I did the intro and then up to the hook, and then I cut it off. So I always upload these reels, and then I hashtag, just different things. And I uploaded it now, it's probably about 10 days or more ago. And at this time, when I found out that it was just going crazy, I had uploaded it about 6 days prior. And all of a sudden one night, I think it was last Saturday night, I believe it was. Last Saturday night. We were watching some Netflix series, and it was about 8, 9 o'clock at night. And all of a sudden my phone just starts lighting up, like notification. And sometimes I kind of get those, because with these reels and things like that, they can go like kind of viral-ish, or a lot of people can see them for like X amount of time, and then it'll just kind of just go like dead again or whatever. So, but anyways, this thing kept going and going. So I was like, let me check this. And I checked it, and it was to this video. and I had like crazy amount of notifications. And then I looked at it, and I think last time I remember when I looked at it, it had like 6,000 views or something like that. You know, maybe like 100 likes or something like that. That's not really uncommon for my reels. It's not anything crazy, but you know, it's not uncommon for me to have, you know, about that somewhat. So, anyways, I checked it and it was like at 12,000 views, and I was like, man, this thing is taken off or something, you know, just for a little bit. And then I just kept getting notifications after notifications, and then it was like 18,000 views, 25,000 views, 30,000 views, and it kept going up in like 5 and 10,000 view increments because I kept kind of periodically checking it, you know, throughout the evening. And then by the time we went to bed about midnight, this thing was at like 700,000 views just in a matter of like, you know, 3 to 4 hours, you guys. And I was like, man, something is going on. Somebody shared this video, something happened, I don't know what. And I went to bed and I had to wake up, you know, like 7 o'clock or so. I was going to go meet my buddies to go to the show. Woke up in the morning, checked it, and it was at like 1.2 million. It had like 250 or 200 likes and a crazy amount of no, not 200 likes. Gosh, it was at like 40,000 likes, and it had like 200 comments or something like that. I might have said 100 likes earlier, but I probably meant 100 comments because it was the likes on it have been going crazy. So as of right now, just fast forward to now, it's at like 1.6 million, probably almost 1.7 because my phone is still going crazy with the notifications. So it's at 1.6 million. It has like 80, almost 85,000 or 84,000 likes and about 450 comments. And it is going crazy. Every time I check my phone, and I took a little screenshot video, I'll play this here in a little bit, but every time I check my phone, almost 7 out of 10, let's say 7 out of 10 times, I have 100 plus notifications on my Instagram. And so Instagram, now that I know this, now that this video has happened and gone viral, it'll stop showing you, well, it'll stop counting notifications at 100. So if you go to Instagram, there's a little heart up there and that's your notifications. It'll just stop kind of counting at 100, but it'll still allow the notifications to come in. So every time, I'm telling you guys, like, it is crazy. It is crazy. 100 plus notifications. Like this particular one that I'm going to show you here in a moment, it has like 100 notifications, like 40 comments or something like that. I don't know. It's ridiculous, you guys. My inbox is going crazy. So I don't know how or where or who showed this or what have you, but thank you. But, you know, it also could be, you know, my own doing as well. You know, I mean, they say when a video starts to trend, it literally goes crazy. And I've never had a video or anything, a post go crazy like this. I've had some that had like 50,000 views or what have you. That's I had that on Facebook one time. It was a fitness video. But other than that, nothing like this. So this is actually literally crazy, you guys. So I don't know if the song that I chose really wasn't used and then people started using it and all of a sudden they just see my video and whatever, and it just starts to go crazy. It's actually been really cool to see. So anyways, you guys, let me just go ahead and show you this clip here real quick. I probably won't play a whole lot of audio on it just because of copyright purposes. I'll probably just talk over it just to kind of just show you what I've been talking about. All right, you guys, so here is where I am screen recording my phone so you guys can see. Go into the app. Right there in the upper right corner, you see, disregard Marshawn Lynch. You see I have 100 likes, 15 comments, 44 people have followed me. This is where I'm showing all of my notifications, scrolling down, and it just never ending, you guys. I mean, every time I check my phone, it's like this. It keeps going. So now I'll click on the video here, and then you guys will be able to see. Who run it? Who run? So anyways, you guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. This car, I guess, is now in the viral world. It is going bananas, and you know, it kind of makes it all worth it, you guys. I mean, people are loving and respecting my my hard work in this car, and that's a good feeling. So anyways, be on the lookout for this video coming soon. It's just a lot of editing, as I was just kind of letting the camera run, and I would like stop and talk to people. I would like, you know, put the phone down, but I would let it run. I'd let the GoPro run the whole time, so I'll probably have to do a lot of editing on it. So just be patient with me. Stay tuned for that. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, get some rest before I gotta go to work. But you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, y'all. I am out of here. Deuces. Peace out.